Managing production across machines, shifts, and locations often means one thing: manual reports, delayed updates, and human errors. But what if reporting could be automatic, accurate, and real-time? With OSHIMA's Smart Factory Platform, reports are generated instantly from your production data. No manual input, no delays, no missed details. Let's start with the Spreading Machine report. First, simply select your desired date range. The system shows every completed job order, including job order ID, memo, device ID, and time zone, making overseas management easier. You can also review layer length settings and the actual total length per layer, all recorded automatically during production. You can also customize the report by selecting the columns you need and adjusting their display order. This allows you to focus only on the information that matters most to your operation. You can export reports directly to Excel or switch to a graphical report view for clearer insights. You can also customize how the report is displayed, dividing the data by device or by operator. Hover over the bar to instantly view detailed data within that time period. With this, you can quickly understand whether your machines and operators are being fully utilized and identify opportunities to improve efficiency. Now, let's look at the inspection machine report connected directly with our EagleAi intelligent fabric inspection machine. Every fabric roll inspected by EagleAi is automatically recorded, including fabric length, width, weight, and total defect count. Click into a roll ID to access detailed defect data, including defect type, images, position, and size. This creates a fully traceable inspection record without any manual documentation. For garment factories, reporting is not just documentation. It is the foundation of decision-making. With automated reports, you gain real-time visibility, reliable data, faster response, and a clearer understanding of how your resources are being utilized. Turn your production data into actionable insights with OSHIMA Smart Factory Platform.